Hi, I'm Tamara Hunt, and our team, Aaron Dexter, Jessica Martin, Wesley Price, created a nonprofit company, Treetop Firewood. This is an opportunity for you to help seniors, low-income families, low-income single parents, and widows in the Fairbanks, Alaska community. There are roughly 15,000 individuals in the Fairbanks, Alaska community that will benefit from Treetop Firewood. Most of these individuals utilize wood-burning stoves as their primary source of heat. When logging companies cut wood, they only take the part of the tree trunk, the best part, leaving the treetops to rot. We'll collect these treetops, process them, cut the wood, and deliver this wood to our customers at a price they can afford. A cord of wood can go for $250 to $300. We will charge our customers $100 per cord of wood, and we will offer an opportunity for them to volunteer their time in helping us deliver wood to other customers, and thus reducing the cost of their cord of wood. It takes approximately 4 to 5 cords of wood to last throughout the winter. Our customers live on a fixed or volatile income. They cannot afford the high cost of heating oil to heat their homes. These customers do not have the ability to gather the wood, nor do they have the tools needed to process it on their own. They want to provide for themselves, but with a limited income, they struggle to make ends meet. Treetop Firewood provides an avenue for our customers to heat their homes at an affordable rate, helping them to be self-reliant so they can use their precious resources to sustain their families in other important ways. You can be a solution to this need by partnering with Treetop Firewood. My partners will share with you other important information about our company.